Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto and they also call me Tips with Dave. In this video, we are going to specifically look at one of the strategies that I use, and I'm going to just talk about basically the pro system and how all of this works together and why I'm so consistent with it as well. So here is the mapping, let's say, of the whole process and the whole way we deal with things. Okay, so we have practically in the pro system, okay, and if you guys don't know or want to see some proof, just let me know. You can go on through my channel. I do weekly withdrawals, so every single Sunday I put out a video on a withdrawal in the pro system, part of the strategy that I'm going to talk about today. So you can check that out if you want to have more proof. Okay, today is not a video that I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to give you the strategy and show you exactly what are the different elements of the pro system and how to deal with it. Okay, but very much, as I always say in every video, this does take work. It does take consistency. I'm not here to generally just take you by the hand. I'm here to show you the methods and strategies that I use, and it's up to you to actually implement them. Okay, I do it week after week, and it takes consistency to see results, but you need to do it week after week after week. Okay, so there are a couple of things I've written right here. These are the main things, and now this whole system has 5 streams of income. Now you may ask, David, 5 streams of income, how do you do that with just 1 stream of income? I'm going to name it for you. Okay, so Easy1up is the first stream of income that we have. Okay, then I'm putting actually 3 streams of income under one bracket. So this is one stream of income right here. This is another stream of income right here, but I'm going to put it as one main second stream of income. Okay, now the system consists of a wealth generation side. The wealth generation 5 is the last and final 5th one, which I'm not going to show you in this video, but we will talk about it a little bit more. So this is the Easy1up is the first, then there's FutureNet and FutureAd Pro and Futuro Coin. So if I break this up into 3 main streams of income within FutureNet itself as a second product, because there are 2 products, 1 and 2, okay? The second product has 3 income streams. So technically has 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the pro system itself, which is built on Online Sales Pro. Okay, so that's 3. The marketing system that I use, and Aweber is a tool that I use to build my list, to grow my clients, to communicate with them. So that's the 4th one, and I do provide that as a tool. You should be using it, so it's something I suggest. But it's up to you if you want to make these 2 in the middle here your income streams and all. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is a wealth building side of the business, which I'm not going to get into at the moment, but it is a crypto related side of the business. So that's the 5th stream of income. But just in this itself, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 streams of income if I break down FutureNet and FutureNet into 3 sections. But I'm going to keep it as one big umbrella because that's one product that has minimum 3 streams of income for yourself, but it has much more. It's a very crucial element of the whole pro system that I have, FutureNet. Okay, and these are the 5 streams of income that you have. Now I'm going to specifically show you. Let's just take out all the streams of income because I want to show you exactly how this system works. So like I said, it consists of Easy1up. Easy1up is my main product. It gives me few things. Okay, 1, it gives me instant commissions. Okay, it gives me commissions. Okay, 2, it allows me to keep momentum. So I'm going to put K. Okay, and 3, it allows me to get now income. Now, there's a reason why I'm saying it in this order specifically. First, instant commissions with Easy1up. It gives products in Easy1up are phenomenal. Okay, I would suggest to get started at least up to the Vertex level. Okay, because it has pretty much in-depth analysis of launching products, making sure you make attractive affiliate offers, how to run your YouTube, and many more things that are useful, but it's a digital product. Okay, and I would really suggest anybody who's starting a business at the moment to focus first on digital products, and then if you have to make your own product itself, you can. But this is why I love digital products so much, honestly. And Easy1up for me is one of the key elements in the whole pro system. So Vertex level, which is around $250. So the minimum you can start off it was elevation basic, and it's really basic. I think it does have value, but with $25, it's not much you can do. Okay, that's the amount of the product, and then there's a $5 admin fee to that. So in total, you would pay around $30 basically for that. The Elevation Elite is $100 plus 10%, sorry, plus $10 of admin fee. So that becomes 110. You spend one time and that's it. And then you can have the resale rights. It's quite good, but not the best. Vertex in itself is the place to be. So it's a $250 sale. It's a $250 product. And the product itself is brilliant. But this is why I want to focus on the Vertex, okay? And then you have already $500 and $1,000 commissions that you can make, and you can go right up to making around $2,000 in commissions if you would like, okay? So if your aim is to get to around, for example, $10,000 online every single month, all you would have to do with the $2,000 product is sell 5 of these products, 5 of them, and you have 10,000. If you want to get into the $1,000 level, like I said, it'll take you about 10 sales. Okay, that's the minimum I would say that you can think about every single month. And 30 days focusing on 10 sales to get to a $10,000 level is crazy easy if you follow the strategy that I'm going to show you. Is it going to be automatic and every day? No, you do have to put in the work, you do have to put in the effort. But like I said, these are the products that you can see here. So Easy1up is a crucial element. It's the first initial thing that I talk about in my funnel itself and in the pro system itself. Like I said, I use Online Sales Pro to build my systems for my team members and everything else. But this is one system that I use to specifically have leads, have a system in place that does the presentation for me. I am my best salesman, so it does the presentation for me, and it also communicates with my customers. Okay, so you who are thinking, if you are thinking of joining me, then the link is in the description. Online Sales Pro allows me to communicate and keep a track of these things. And then you have FutureNet itself, which is a social media platform, brilliant position itself that you should be thinking about. Okay, I'm not going to go in depth. You'll find many videos on FutureNet and FutureAd Pro on my website. So sorry, on my YouTube channel. So I'm not going to go through the details of it. And then we have FutureAd Pro, which I personally have made over, as you can see, almost $13,000 in this one stream of income alone. And then you have the traffic sources right here. So I'm following the exact same things that you can see right here. We saw Easy1up, we saw FutureNet, FutureAd Pro, we saw OSP. I'm not going to get into Aweber, but that's a contact place for me. It's where I store my contacts, where I communicate with them, and it's highly, highly, highly important for my business. And then you have the traffic element. So what is the basic strategy that you want to follow with the pro system? So we follow it this way. Every time you make a sale in Easy1up, you take 30% and put it into a traffic, I'm going to call it TB, but it's a traffic budget, okay? 30% goes into a traffic budget. When you make a sale in FutureNet, this money I would put in my pocket, okay? This goes into my pocket. So let's just put this here. Okay, sorry, undo. So I'm gonna make it a little smaller. And I'm gonna put PK, pocket, okay? This goes into traffic. And you'll see the genius behind of this in just a second, okay? Now, every sale that I make, 30% of it goes into a traffic budget. This itself is a traffic budget, okay? Like I said, TR is also goes into traffic budget. So everything that goes into the traffic budget here, I check how much I have a traffic budget of every month, and then I use that traffic budget, I use that traffic budget to go here and purchase traffic every week. This is week in and week out, guys. It's not something that you do overnight, but it's something that you do every single time you make a sale. Every single time you realize that you have to take out from FutureAd Pro and add into this part right here. Now, I want to just specifically show you that I've been doing this every single week. Withdrawal, 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 withdrawal. I can go on, and all of this is accepted withdrawals that I've removed, and I've followed this exact strategy going right here. Okay, the aim for me is to teach you how to build a traffic budget for yourself, so you never have to think of, oh, do I have the money to actually build this business? Do I have the money to run it? I want you to be self-sufficient. So building the traffic budget is really important. Now, this goes into your pocket, right? Same thing over here. The commissions you make here go into your pocket. This is how I'm doing it, okay? And the traffic goes to the system. The system promotes Easy1up. The system promotes FutureNet. The system promotes Future Ad Pro. Now I'm naming only FutureNet and Future Ad Pro because those are the two areas in the system that you can actually use it for free generation. And already with this specifically, you can see the flow, okay? Promotes Easy1up, promotes Future Ad Pro, and promotes FutureNet. 30% of that goes into my traffic budget. The rest goes into my pocket, okay? And then I take that money from the traffic budget every single month. And as this traffic budget increases, I can still send every single week more and larger amounts of traffic that do the selling for me. So it is a win-win situation. So these are the things that we follow in the Pro system. I want to just go through it as an overview for you in this video. And the good thing about it is that you need consistency with this method, okay? It's a strategy that's proven for many more people than you can imagine, including McDonald's and big franchises all over the world. So I do have a solid business model in place, and the key element over here is consistency. Keep doing it day in and day out, and you will see the final catapulting your results to the next level with the consistency that you have. Okay, that's it from my side, guys, on this video. I do want to thank you. If you do find what I'm sharing with you valuable, then what I want you to do is in the description of this video, there are 3 links. You can choose to see whether you want to know a little bit more about the tools that I use. Do you want to know more about the cryptocurrency side, which is the wealth building side of it? The link is in the description. And finally, the last link that you're going to see is to the Pro system itself that promotes exactly this. So once you click on Get Set Up Now in the Pro system, you'll find out everything right here. And I wanted to show you my traffic sources are very well laid out in the Pro system. I put my traffic sources number 1, number 2, and number 3, okay, for you right here in this video. And if you need any kind of support and help further on, then just feel free to reach out to me, and I will definitely get in touch with you regarding the Pro system. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. Hit the subscribe button if you do like the content that you see on this channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.